Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction. So we solve it. Now we find the value of m. So equation become 6 plus parenthesis m plus 2 equal to 72. So we both side divide by 6 to find the value of m. So 6 parenthesis m plus 2 divided by 6 equal to 72 divided by 6. So this 6 cancel with this 6. So equation become m plus 2 equal to 6 1s are 6 and 6 12s are 72. So equation become m plus 2 equal to 12. So we find the value of m. Now we subtract 2 both sides. So m plus 2 and subtract 2 equal to 12 minus 2. So 12 plus 2 and minus 2 give us 0. So m equal to 12 minus 2 give us 10. So the value of m is 10. Now we add to the original equation. So equation 6 we add the value of m. So 10 plus 2, so they give us 6 10s are 60 plus 6 2s are 12. So final answer is 60 plus 12 give us 72. So the answer is 72. No, that is correct.